Play-Dohs. Chocolate versus fruit. Fruit section. Chocolate section. Yay! Wow, so much sweet. Let me try this one. Yummy, yum. That was yummy. Let me try this one. Ow, my tooth hurts. I think I need the doctor. Mom! Hi. Hello. What's your name? No, okay. Tell me. What happened? Take that. All done. Next. Come in. Take a seat. Hello, how are you today? Hello, doctor. My tooth hurts. Don't worry, we will make you feel better. Your mouth? Too much chocolate. Lemon chocolate. Here you go, use this. Thank you. I'm hungry. Lemon chocolate. No more chocolate. I need to go brush. No more chocolate. No more chocolate. We are the favorite one. That's better. Maybe I can try fruits. Apple maybe? No chocolate! I gotta go brush. What is that? Maybe let's try grapes? Chocolate again. Wow. How did this happen? Now I have to go brush again. Maybe try strawberry this time. No! It's chocolate again. A yummy though, but it's not good for my teeth. I gotta go brush again.
Sour sup?
What is it?
Sorry to bother you, boss. We have a problem. The chocolates are attacking.
So what?
We are trending, boss.
Fantastic! Assemble the fruity bag.
Apple, strawberry, banana.
Orange. Grapes. Assemble.
What's going on? Uh-oh, the fruit saliva. Oh, sweet lava. Fruit burn! Run! The fruits are coming! You better run. We're top of the food chain now. Na, 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 na.
This better not be chocolate again. I'm so hungry. Yay! Real banana! I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe. See you later. Eat your foods. Bye.